What's the buzz surrounding the recent roster changes in the Philadelphia 76ers, you ask? Well, there's plenty to unpack, and both teams have taken different paths in their pursuit of excellence. Let's start with the 76ers. They've added a couple of new faces to their roster: Robert Covington and DeAnthony Melton. Covington is known for his defensive prowess and his ability to shoot from beyond the arc. His addition to the team boosts their defensive capabilities and gives them an added threat on the offensive end. On the other hand, Melton, a young dynamic guard, offers versatility that the 76ers can utilize in various game situations. And let's not forget the team's anchor, Joel Embiid. His dominant presence in the paint continues to be a significant factor in the team's strategy. Now, moving on to the Chicago Bulls. Their strategy appears to be more centered around building a competitive squad. They're focusing on enhancing their roster, keeping a keen eye on player developments and trade possibilities. They're also investing in their coaching strategies, understanding that the right guidance can make a world of difference. So, what's the key takeaway here? Both teams are making strategic moves, but in different ways. The 76ers are leveraging their new additions to add depth and versatility to their team, while the Bulls are taking a more holistic approach, focusing on all aspects of their team, from roster to coaching. In summary, it's clear that both the Philadelphia 76ers and the Chicago Bulls are making strategic moves to enhance their rosters. The 76ers are adding new players to increase their team's depth and versatility, while the Bulls are focusing on building a competitive squad, keeping an eye on player developments, and investing in coaching strategies. With these changes, fans can anticipate an exciting season ahead. Stay tuned for more updates as these teams continue to shape their strategies for success.